Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove paint from plastic bumpers. Let's begin. First of all, this is a plastic bumper cover, an ABS bumper cover for a 2017 Malibu, I believe. Now the customer brought it like this, and as you can see, it's peeling everywhere. Everywhere. And why did that happen? Well, they didn't apply adhesion promoter. That is the reason. All of this right there. So now what I have to do, I have to remove all the paint from it. I cannot just sand it down and paint it, because this paint is going to stay underneath and it's going to just lift up and lift my paint. So all the paint needs to be removed. Let's just show you how to do it. First, I remove the grills, that way I won't have any damage to them. I remove the bottom piece, which just goes black, so I remove that. So now let's start with the paint. Next, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get myself some aircraft paint remover, but this stuff, they changed the formula. They used to have one that's just for plastic. They discontinued it, but let's use this one. I've used this one before, and it does say for plastic also, right there, flexible and rigid plastics. So let me show you how to use it and what we're gonna have to do. First, what you gotta do, you're gonna have to shake it up. Just shake up the paint remover for about 5 to 10 minutes. Just make sure that all the product is mixed perfectly. Next, wear gloves, guys. This thing burns if it lands on your skin, so wear gloves, wear protection. I am gonna wear a respirator. Right now I don't have it because I am talking to you guys, so I am gonna wear a respirator and do it in a ventilated area. I'm in my garage, everything's open, so let's go. What you're gonna do, apply it. You're gonna apply it like if you're painting with a spray can. Just apply it, and we're gonna leave it for about 30 minutes, but we're gonna be checking it every 10 minutes. Every 10 minutes we're gonna check, just to make sure that it's not burning the plastic. Let me show you. There you go. Just let it set, let it do its job. Now, some people cover it with a plastic cover. I'm gonna try it this way. Let's just continue. As you can see, it's doing its job. Now I'm gonna get a plastic scraper. I'm gonna start scraping all that material off. It's been 10 minutes right now, so let's scrape it off. Okay, here we go. This is the first step. Now it's not gonna remove everything in the first spray, guys, so don't think it's just gonna lift everything up. This thing, when they changed the formula to this paint remover, it's a lot slower to do, but it's the only and best way to do it. So I'm gonna apply another coat, do the exact same thing, and continue. Here we go, one more coat. This is gonna be the last one. Then I'm gonna show you the next step. So I'm just gonna let it set for about 10 minutes. Remove it with the plastic scraper and we'll go to the next step. Next, you're gonna get yourself a microfiber towel with some lacquer thinner. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna wipe it down with the lacquer thinner. Why am I doing it this way? Because that's gonna control the process that the paint stripper is doing, that it has, and it's going to control it. It's going to stop that reaction that the paint stripper has. Some people use water, which is good, but I've found out that the lacquer thinner works much better. So that's what I'm doing, just stopping the reaction from that paint stripper. And it ain't gonna remove everything, as you can see, but I'm gonna show you the next step. Now the next step, sand it. Get yourself the DA with 400 to 600 grit sandpaper. We're gonna sand the rest of it off. Let's do that. And there you go. It is smooth, perfect. It's time consuming, yes, but that is the only way to remove this kind of paint from plastic bumpers, guys. Other than that, geez, that paint stripper that they used to sell for plastic used to work real good, but they did discontinue it. So this is the other method. This is the other way. I've been doing it for a while like this, and it's been working. So I'm just gonna continue. Let me continue doing it on this side, finish it up, and I'll bring you back once it's been finished. And after a couple of hours and 1 can of paint remover and some sanding, everything has been removed. So it's nice and clean. So let's just go to the next step and paint it. And if you're wondering about all these little gray part that's still there, I'm just gonna take some 320 grit sandpaper and sand it down. And this is gonna be it, guys. If you want to learn how to paint plastic bumper covers, that video right there, click on that little link. It'll show you how to paint some bumper covers. But for this video, this is gonna be it. This is how to remove paint from plastic bumpers, and you can use this method on anything that is plastic. So this is it. Thank you very much, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Also hit that little bell icon so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And like always, guys, stay safe and God bless.